Hey, good afternoon. It's Pete with Blackwell Financial Services. Just wanted to provide some information that's hot off the press with our research department. As you all know, we are affiliated with LPL Financial. That's the largest independent broker-dealer in the United States, and that's who we clear all our transactions through. So it's a great relationship, and we're proud to be affiliated with them. So the research department really rolled out some information, or recently rolled out some information about the top 10 questions that investors have. So many investors, ourselves included, find it difficult to understand why stocks have done so well lately in such a challenging economic environment. And then with COVID-19 still an ongoing threat. And let me pause there to say that our prayers go out to all the families that have been touched by COVID-19. We heard that question quite a bit at our national conference back in August for LPL professionals. And for the first time in the history of the firm, it was held virtually. I guess, that's probably a first for a lot of companies. But that isn't the only question we've been getting recently. So we've compiled a top 10 list of questions and answers. So number one, can stocks keep going higher considering the risk? With the S&P 500 index up more than 50% since the March lows, and stocks pricing in an optimistic recovery in the economy and corporate profits, we believe stocks may be due for a pullback, and that the drop that occurred September 3rd and 4th may be the start of it. The S&P 500 is near our bull case scenario for a fair value target of more than 3,450. And that was highlighted back in our mid-year outlook earlier in the summertime. And our base case target of 3,300 is under review. We also expect a pickup in volatility ahead of the November election. So from a technical perspective, looking at a chart, for example, we may see a little more near-term upside in the 3,700 range, potentially helped by positive COVID-19 news. Another fiscal stimulus package, and we still could expect one of more than $1 trillion, and continued strength from stocks that have performed better in the pandemic, mostly technology stocks. On the downside, we would see technical support for the S&P 500 at about 3,200. So that's number one of our top 10 questions, and we'll end today's video up with that. And we'll have one a day for the next 10 days, and